Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from today's title, I'm going to be doing the Look Fantastic unboxing. So this is the October beauty box. So if you'd like to see what goodies are inside or learn a little bit more about the Look Fantastic subscription box, then stay tuned. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe, put a big thumbs up and leave a lovely little comment in the comment section. Thank you. So here we are, we have the box as I showed in the intro, but basically I just wanted to give you a little bit of info on the box. So if you don't already know, then Look Fantastic offer skincare, hair care, beauty care, nails, literally all your beauty stuff that you'd want across their website. I do have a discount code. If you do want to purchase anything from Look Fantastic, I can get you 20% off. But with regards to the boxes, they do a monthly subscription box, which you can cancel at any time, or they do 3, 6 and 12 months, which obviously will save you some money. But yes, this is the October beauty box, and let's have a little look inside and see what we've got. So first of all, actually, let's just talk about the packaging. So I was expecting the October beauty box to be a bit more dark and grungy, but let's have a little read of their little magazine inside to see why they've chosen the yellow packaging. So you always get a little magazine inside as well, which just basically talks you through the box, what's inside it, you know, basically how to use it and stuff like that. So it looks like we've got a total of 6 items. And the reason behind the yellow box is because it's so dark, rainy, horrible weather at the moment, they thought they'd brighten it up with the beauty box, which I love that idea. My skin's gone all horrible again because of the change of the weather, stress, all that jazz. So I feel like this is going to be like a box full of uplifting products. So, oh, it looks very bright and colourful in there. So we'll start off with the thing that really stood out first, is the Vintage Cosmetic Company. We've got 2 little hair scrunchies. If you don't already know, I love a hair scrunchie, love, love, love. And they're yellow, like how cute. And they're quite big actually. Oh, they're tied up, so I can't actually open them. But you get 2 of those, so little cute hair accessory there for you if you fancy doing pigtails, ponytails, anything. Little cute. And I like how it's yellow again, to brighten up the box, to brighten up the mood, to brighten up the season. So yeah, love that little edit. Then we'll go on to the second item. We've got some cleansing gel, which is actually quite a big pot, because normally in beauty boxes you do get like quite small pots, which I can see there is a couple in here. But yeah, so this is 125ml, and I was actually needing a new cleanser, so I'm quite excited to try this. And it is perfect for my skin type. So this is normal to oily skin, which during different seasons my skin gets really, really oily, like to the point where it's like melting off. So yeah, so this is gentle cleansing, normal to oily skin cleansing gel, and it has vitamin E and cucumber extract. And it says how to use. Work the gel into your hands and apply to your face and neck morning and evening. The nourishing formula deeply yet gently cleanses your skin, suitable for normal oily skin, and then just rinse it with water. So let's just see what it says in the edit. So in the edit it says, this powerful formula that is kind to skin helps to restore moisture to your epidermis. Combining a smooth mixture of aloe vera and vitamin E, this gel cleanses your pores from deep down, leaving your skin smoother and more refreshed. So, I mean, I've kind of hid my bad skin at the minute with a bit of makeup, but I've got really bad acne again. I think I say this in every video, I must just have bad skin. But sometimes it just flares up worse than others. So I'm going to give that a go, you know. I love a good cleanser, and I was just running out of my Pixie one, so I'll give that a try and I will see how we get on. And that's the good thing as well about beauty boxes, is you get like mini things. So it gives you a chance to try things that you wouldn't normally buy, especially if they're quite pricey at the full size. You don't want to spend like £30–40 on something and then hate it. So with the beauty boxes, that's why I like them, because you get little minis to try and see whether they work for you. So then we've got the Filorga. This is the Oxygen Glow cream. So this is Super Perfecting Radiance Cream. So as you can see, it's only a small pot, it's just 15ml. But I think by the sound of this product, you are only going to need a little drop, which is like most skincare products, to be honest. I don't think with skincare products you need loads and loads of product, you just literally need a drop of it. So this says, this magical moisturising face cream delivers an instant burst of hydration to your complexion. Used over a period of time, the long-term effects of this cream can enhance the overall appearance of your skin. So all you have to do to use this product is to apply it over the face and neck area in the morning, evening and before bed. Mate, my skin is going to be on fleek with these items in this box already. I'm very excited to give these a go. But yeah, I love that. Obviously it's a lot smaller than the cleansing gel, but like I said, it is normally the case with beauty boxes. Gives you a chance to try everything though, so it's always worth a go. Then we've got some more mini little things. Got the Philip Kingsley, this is the Bond Builder. So this is a hair treatment. So this is a perfect remedy for your split ends, which, I mean, everyone gets split ends. Shielding healthy hair against heat damage and UV rays, the lightweight formula revives your hair, leaving it more voluminous and healthy looking. So I would probably use this when I'm on holiday or something. I'm going to Mexico in like 6 weeks time. So I could take that with me. Also, you don't even wash it out, so that's interesting. Because I would have thought you would have put it in, rinsed your hair back out, but you leave it in and style it or let it dry. So that's interesting. I'm going to give that a go next time I wash my hair. And it's got green tea leaf extract and castor oil. So that sounds interesting. Then we've got Dr. Botanicals TU mask. So this is a superfood restoring treatment mask. So this helps protect against the effects of external aggressors by providing your skin with an antioxidant boost powered by a potent botanical ingredient. Sounds very scientific to me. The creamy textured mask helps to plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst brightening your complexion. So is this like an anti-aging thing or is it more for spots? Because where it says external aggressors, to me, instantly I thought spots. But then obviously further down it does say about the fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to have a little bit more of a read up on this product online just to see if it is more for acne or literally just aging cream. So yeah, that sounds interesting. And it says apply to problem areas, which again makes me think spots, and simply wash off to leave your skin feeling softer and brighter. So if that is for spots, then I'm really going to give that a go because underneath this, I'm spotty. So yeah, so that's interesting, and that's a 30ml bottle as well. So again, still quite small, but you do get quite a lot in there, and I don't think you'd need much, especially if you're only applying it to certain areas rather than your whole face. Then we've got a big size product here. Everyone loves a full size product. So this is the Rituals Loving Body Cream. So I love the colour of this, I love the packaging. And it says, the quest for smoother looking skin just became that little bit easier. Helps to provide the illusion of more supple airbrush complexion. So that is just going to get your skin looking on fleek, ain't it? It's just going to be gorgeous on your skin. After a shower, when you're all shaved and exfoliated, I think if you pop that on, oh my god, you'll be feeling amazing. So it says, the super rich formula is ideal for everyday use. Simply apply to your skin and allow time to soak in. So yeah, so I would literally have a shower and put that on straight after and let it soak. And this has sweet orange, cedarwood, sunflower seed oil inside. Let's smell it, let's have a smell. And this is a 70ml bottle. Oh, it is really creamy actually, and it smells gorgeous. Oh, it's proper creamy that. I want to put it on me everywhere. Definitely going to do that after my shower tonight. So then, last but not least, which this isn't actually in 1, 2, 3. So there's 6 items there. But then I've got this in there, which isn't in the book either. A looks like you get a little free gift. Oh, Too Faced Cosmetics. So you get a little wallet. Oh, I love that. You can put whatever you want in it. It says, damn girl, you're so Too Faced. Love it. I love Too Faced Cosmetics. I've been using their foundation recently and it is gorgeous. Oh my god, that cream literally is just blowing smells everywhere. So yes, I also got a little free gift. So I got 7 items in that box. I know it's technically 6 products, but I got a little pouch as well. Who don't have a makeup bag? So let's just pop them in there. So yeah, do you know what? I think that's one of the best boxes from Look Fantastic that I've had yet. Definitely. Just because it's like skincare and just like self-care. So I can see why they've done the yellow, you know, brightening, lift your mood box sort of thing. I can see why they've done it that colour, and I can see why they've put the products in that they have. So, you know, gloomy time of year, everything's a bit depressing. So why not give ourselves a boost, sort out our skincare, hair care, and just overall body care. Let's get looking fresh. Don't let the weather get us down. So I am buzzing with that. And like I said again, guys, so Look Fantastic can offer the boxes monthly, or you can do 3, 6 and 12 months, which saves you some money. But if you don't obviously want to purchase the subscription box, then that's not a problem. If you do purchase anything from Look Fantastic, I've got a discount code which is just here. And yeah, that's the box for this month, guys. Absolutely love it. But thanks so much for watching, guys. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, put a big thumbs up and leave a lovely little comment in the comment section. And I will see you next week.